Remedies presents only 3 tablespoons of this miracle remedy will improve your eyesight and your hair grow like crazy. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today I will share with you an awesome remedy that will aid in improving your vision and also your hair will grow faster. It will stop your hair fall as well and will slow down the overall aging process of the body. I am sure all of you are going to love it. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get complete information, and without any more wait, let's start. A wide majority of people around the globe are suffering from conditions like poor vision and hair loss and are not sure how to deal with it. Luckily, there are natural remedies that can help slow down the process. This mixture, made up of natural ingredients, is a great treatment with incredible benefits for skin, hair and overall health. Now let's move on to the preparation of the remedy. Ingredients you will need: 100 ml of flaxseed oil, 2 medium lemons, 1 large clove of garlic, 500 grams of honey. Preparation: don't peel the garlic, place with the lemon in a blender, add the honey and flaxseed oil and process thoroughly until smooth. Store this mixture in the fridge and take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, half an hour before your meals. This remedy does wonders for your hair and eyesight, and not only that, it will completely rejuvenate you. Check it out and witness the amazing results. Make sure you use a wooden spoon. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.